Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in with your PlayStation account on your PS5. So what we want to do is go to our name right here in the top, and then go to Logout. Then when we get to the screen, press the PlayStation button on our controller, and then we want to go over to the left to Add User, and select this, and then go to where it says Get Started on the left. Then go to I agree and confirm. Now we can simply just scan this with our phone. We can go to the picture option and it will force us to download the PlayStation app on our phone. So I'm just going to go over it with my phone, try not to get too close. And then it's going to open up a URL and it's going to download the PlayStation app. Sign in with your account, email address and password. And then all I have to do is hit approve when this pops open. And it'll sign me in. So you can see sign in right there. I already have that account on my PlayStation though, so it's probably not going to do anything. Now, if you don't have a phone or anything like that, you can go to sign in manually right here. And then you can just simply type in your email address and password and then go to sign in, and that will add your account to this PlayStation. And you should be good now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.